Oh, I don't know if we're gonna do this one. Hey guys, Justin here, Street Stand Civic Garage. We're at day 2 of our heat challenge week. We are doing the Lil Nitro Gummy Bear today. We'll read the back of it here. It's Lil Nitro's the world's hottest gummy bear. Consumer beware, this is not your ordinary gummy bear. From Flamethrower Candy Company comes the next experience for those who seek the heat. Lil Nitro has been infused with our signature 9 million Scoville unit chili extract, making him 900 times hotter than a jalapeno. Do you dare to do this, fiery bear? Well, I guess so, guys. So let's get this thing opened up here. Just a normal sized gummy bear. It's just a little, no bigger than a regular gummy bear. It says the Lil Nitro Challenge. We want you to make the best Lil Nitro video on the internet. Post your video to the YouTube with the hashtag Lil Nitro Challenge for a chance to feature and website and social media platforms. Fully chew this fiery bear and see if you can handle the heat. Can you go a full 5 minutes without relief? So obviously we're going to try to go a whole 5 minutes without getting anything to drink or eat, guys. So like I said, please like, subscribe if you guys like these challenges. Like I said, it is winter, so it's kind of hard for us to bring you videos, so we're bringing you some of these hot challenges. And we've just come to the conclusion for 1,000 subscribers. I'm gonna get maced, pepper sprayed, and tased at the same time. So you guys stay tuned to that. Please like and subscribe if you want to see it. But only as soon as I get 1,000 subscribers. We will do that the day I get 1,000 subscribers. So we're gonna eat this gummy bear and see what it's like. It's kind of real oily and sticky. So. And we got to go 5 minutes, so I got my timer here. Got a timer here. We'll start this as soon as we chew this thing up and eat it. So here goes. Don't really taste bad, or it tastes kind of bad. It is pretty warped, guys, for a little gummy bear. So like I said, please like, subscribe if you want to see me get maced and tased at the same time. The more subscribers I get, the faster it happens. So let's start our timer here. Stop watching. So we got to go 5 minutes. I gotta say, it's hot, but I think the chocolate was hotter yesterday. Feel it down in my throat, and I feel it definitely in my stomach. They do got a nice little package for it. We're gonna build us a little shelf and put all our challenges that we have defeated on. We're gonna keep, I guess, the ones, we'll have a separate shelf for the ones that beat us, that we can't beat. So we're about 35 seconds in. It's actually really not that bad, guys. Like I said, I think the chocolate was hotter than this. So if you want to see me bring more videos like this, please like, subscribe, comment down below. Tell me what you want to see me eat. You know, recommend hot sauces, recommend anything you guys like to see. Like I said, we're trying to bring you videos because our Civic right now is waiting to get painted. It's going to be at least 2 to 3, maybe 4 weeks before we get to do that. We're waiting on the weather to break. As soon as that's done, then we will be able to paint that and bring you guys all kinds of videos. We got a lot in store for that, so stay tuned. Plus we'll do other challenges through periodically working on that car, and I do have how-to videos for you guys to watch, so just stay tuned for that. We're about a minute and 40 seconds in. Guys, it's really not that hot. I don't think it's too bad. You know, I dare everybody to try this challenge. I mean, it's a nice little gummy bear, comes in a nice little souvenir box after you eat it, so get to keep that. And also I want to throw out a shout out to the sarcastic storage stacker. He completed the Tube of Terror, guys, and trust me, I tried it. I made 6 nuts in. I know it's hot. I know what he went through. So shout out to him. Good job, guys. You know, I'm gonna try it again, see if I can do it again, and if I can't do it again, I'm not gonna try it again after this time. So we'll see if I can do it. We do have a lot more stuff coming up. We got the Toe of Satan coming up tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Then we will be eating the Coco Loco bar, so stay tuned for that one too. And then after that, we'll be eating the White Lightning bar. So that's supposedly, this one actually is infused with, this one's just the Black Reaper pepper. And this one here is infused with 12 of the world's hottest peppers. So this one's definitely going to be hot, guys. And then we actually have a Reaper pepper, so we are going to be eating that too. And then after we eat all these, we are going to attempt the Tube of Terror again, guys. So this is the one that's the worst. This is the worst thing I've ever ate in my life. We're going to attempt it again. Not saying that I could complete it, but we sure are going to attempt it again. So please like and subscribe. Give me your comments down below. Like I said, sweating a little bit here, guys. It is a little hot. So if you guys want to see me eat anything else, please let me know. Shoot it down in the comments for me. We'll see if we can't pick it up and do it right here on the channel for you guys. This bear's not too bad, guys. If you guys like heat, you know, the bear's not too bad. We are 4 minutes and 10 seconds in. I hope you guys can see that. It's actually not very bad at all, guys. I'm not looking forward to the Toe of Satan, holding that in my mouth for 5 minutes. So we actually have to hold this in our mouth for 5 minutes. So we're gonna see how this works. I hope I can do it. I'm hoping I can do the Tube of Terror again. I'm hoping I can actually complete it, because if I can do that, I think it'll show a lot of improvement on my end of doing these hot challenges. Like I said, I only did 6 nuts last time, so I'm hoping I can do a lot more than 6 nuts. So please stay tuned, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can see all these videos coming up this week. I still have 5 more videos coming just this week of hot challenges, so please stay tuned for that. And guys, we did it 5 minutes after 5 minutes now, so I'm good to go to have something to drink. And please, if you guys like the video, like, subscribe, and share. Only helps my channel, helps me bring more videos to you guys like this one. Hope you guys like the video. I appreciate you guys watching, and stay tuned for tomorrow for the next one. We're actually going to be doing the Toe of Satan tomorrow. Have a good night, guys.